Hello guys, I am from Gogras Math Sab. I am going to discuss question number 7 that has been taken from miscellaneous exercise of chapter 4 determinant NCERT 12th mathematics. Question, it is given here: if A inverse equal to matrix elements of first row 3 minus 1 1, elements of second row minus 15 6 minus 5, elements of third row 5 minus 2 2, and matrix B equal to elements of first row 1 2 minus 2, elements of second row minus 1 3 0, elements of third row 0 minus 2 1, comma, find AB whole के power inverse. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Let us see how this question is solved here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, here it is given A inverse equal to this one. So here I shall write it is given that A inverse is equal to matrix 3 elements of first row minus 1 1, elements of second row minus 15 6 minus 5, elements of third row 5 minus 2 2. This is 2. Then it is given and B equal to elements of first row 1 2 minus 2, elements of second row minus 1 3 0, elements of third row 0 minus 2 1. A inverse is given and matrix B is given. So here we have to find AB whole power inverse. Now here I shall write formula. Formula imply that A B का whole inverse is equal to B inverse dot A inverse. This is the formula we must remember. B का whole inverse is equal to B inverse dot A inverse. AB here in left hand side AB is written, the right hand side BA it will come, inverse will be there. Here you have got A inverse is given here, so you have to find B inverse. So here we have to find B inverse. Here we have to find B inverse. In order to find B inverse, what we have to do? Matrix B is given which is of order 3 cross 3. So we have to find B inverse. So here I shall write first of all for B inverse. In order to find B inverse, we have to get determinant of matrix B. So here I shall write determinant of matrix B equal to that elements of first row 1 2 minus 2, Elements of second row -1, 3, 0. Elements of third row 0, -2, 1 equal to, here I shall write -1, that is constant here, raised की power. If I take this element 1, so 1 is there in first row, first column. For first row, I shall write here 1, and for first column, I shall write here 1. Multiply to, here this element I shall write +1. After that, I shall get the minor matrix of element +1. So since 1 is there in first row, first column, the first row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of +1 as 3, 0, -2, 1. So here I shall write 3, 0, -2, 1. Here write plus -1 raised के power. This date is going to be expanded along first row. So here I can write expanding along R1. This element is over. Now take this element 2. So here this 2 is there in first row. For first row I shall write here 1 plus, and this element is there in second column. For second column I shall write here 2 dot. This element 2 will be written as it is, +2. Now get the minor of +2. 2 is there in first row and second column. The first row and second column will be hidden. You will get the minor of +2 as -1, 0, 0, 1. So here I shall write -1, 0, 0, 1. Plus here I shall write. Again I shall write -1 raised के power. And if I discuss about this element -2, so -2 is there in first row. For first row I shall write here 1 plus, and this -2 is there in third column. For third column I shall write here 3. So here I write 3. This element I shall write with sign -2. Now I shall get the minor matrix of element -2. -2 is there in first row and third column. The first row and third column will be hidden. You will get the minor matrix of element -2 as -1, 3, -1, 3, 0, -2. This thing you will get. Now what to do next? Next here I shall write determinant of matrix B equal to, here you can see -1 raised के power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 comes out to be 2. -1 raised के power 2 comes out to here 1. 1 will multiply to 1. You will get here 1. And this is the minor matrix. The elements of principal diagonal are 3 and 1. Elements of principal diagonal 3 and 1 will multiply together. So here you will get 3 into 1 minus, and elements of reverse diagonal 0 and -2 will multiply together. You will get here only 0. This thing will be written in curly bracket, and here you can see -1 raised के power 3 comes out to here -1 minus 1 multiplied to plus 2 comes out to here minus 2. So here write minus 2. In bracket I shall write minus 2 I have written, and this is the minor matrix. Elements of principal diagonal minus 1 and 1 will multiply together. We'll get here only minus 1. So here write minus 1. And elements of reverse diagonal 0, 0 will multiply together. We'll get here minus 0. And now take out this element. Here it is written minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 comes out to here 4. Minus 1 raised to power 4 comes out to here 1. 1 will multiply to minus 2 comes out to here minus 2. So here write minus 2. In bracket I shall write. Here you can see in this matrix minus 1 will multiply to minus 2 comes out to here 2. Minus elements of reverse diagonal 3 and 0 will multiply together. It comes out to 0. So here write 0. You will get here imply that determinant of matrix B comes out to be here 3 will multiply to 1 comes out to here 3. And here minus 2 will multiply to minus 1 comes out to here plus 2. And here minus is there, that will be neglected. Here minus 2 will multiply to 2 comes out to here minus 4. So here write minus 4. You will get 5, 3 plus 2 5 minus 4 comes out to here 1 is not equal to 0. So here you have got determinant of matrix B equal to 1. This thing you have got. Now here you have to find B inverse. So what to do next? Next you have to find adjoint matrix of matrix B. For this one I have to get cofactors of matrix B. So here I shall write cofactors. Cofactors of matrix B imply that cofactors of matrix B. This is the matrix B of which I have to get cofactor. So if I take this element 1, so here write B because B matrix is there. Think about this element 1, first element 1. 1 is there in first row, first column. For first row I shall write here 1 and this element 1 is there in first column. For first column write here 1. So here B input double 1 it will be there. Here minus 1. Here minus 1 is the constant that is fixed here. Raised to the power 1 plus 1. So here write 1 plus 1 into minor of element plus 1. So now minus 1 raised to power 2 it will become comes out to here 1, that will be neglected. Minor of plus 1. Now find out the minor of plus 1 here. Here you can see 1 is there in first row and first column. The first row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of this plus 1 as 3 0 minus 2 1 equal to 3 0 3 0 minus 2 1 will get. So this will multiply to elements of principal diagonal. 3 will multiply to 1 minus 0 will multiply to minus 2 comes out to here. 0 will multiply to minus 2 comes out to 0. 3 will multiply to 1 comes out to here 3. Now think over this element too. So here I shall write B. This element 2 is there in first row. For first row I shall write here 1, and this element is there in second column. For second column I shall write here 2. B input 1 2 will be there. So here I shall write -1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into minor of element plus 2 equal to, here -1 raised to power 3 it will become, comes out here -1. Here minor matrix of plus 2. So this plus 2 is there in first row and second column. That will be hidden. You will get the minor matrix of plus 2 here as -1 0. So here I write -1 0 0 1. It will be written -1 0 -1 0 0 1. You will get here -1. I shall write here -1 into, and this -1 and 1 will multiply together. You will get here -1. You will get here -1. -1 will multiply together. You will get here -1, or this will become 0. Here -1. So it comes out to here 1. 1 you have got. Now think out next element -2. So here write B. This -2 is there in first row. For first row I shall write here 1, and this -2 is there in third column. For third column I shall write here 3. So here I shall write -1 raised to power 1 plus 3. So here I write 1 plus 3 into minor of element -2 equal to -1 raised to power 4. It will become, comes out here 1, and minor of element -2. So -2 is there in first row and third column. So first row and third column will be hidden. You will get the minor of element -2 as -1 here you will get -1 3 -1 3 0 -2 -1 3 0 -2 you will get here the elements of principal diagonal -1 and -2 will multiply together. You will get here 2, and elements of reverse diagonal 0 and 3 will multiply together. You will get here -0, comes out to here 2. Now B input 11, B input 1 2, B input 13. It is over. Now discuss about second row of matrix B. For second row, here I shall write B. If I take this element -1, so -1 is there in second row. For second row, I shall write here 2, and this -1 is there in first column. For first column, I shall write here 1. It will become -1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. So here I write 2 plus 1 into minor of element. This -1 I am talking about. So here I shall write -1. So here -1 raised to power 3 it will become, comes out to be -1. Right here -1 into, get the minor matrix of element -1. The minus 1 is there in second row and first column. The second row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor as 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 and minus 2 1. Minus 2 1 you will get. Now what we will do here? Minus 1 will remain there into elements of principal diagonal 2 and 1 will multiply together. We will get here 2 minus elements of reverse diagonal minus 2 and minus 2 will multiply together. 2 to the 4 will get, so here write minus 4. Comes out to be minus 1 multiply to here minus 2 comes out to here 2. Minus 2, so this will become. Okay. So what to do here? Now think about next element, middle most element 3. So here write these 3 is there in second row and second column. For second row I shall write here 2 and for second column I shall write here 2. Minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into minor of element plus 3. This will become minus 1 raised to power 4 comes out here 1 and minor of element plus 3. So we will get here minor of element plus 3. Plus 3 is there in second row and second column. The second row, second column will be hidden. You will get the minor 1 minus 2 0 1. So 1 minus 2 0 1. This thing we will get. 1 minus 2 0 1 will get. 1 minus 2 0 1 will get. Now what we will do in this case? Elements of principal diagonal 1 and 1 will multiply together. Minus elements of reverse diagonal 0 and minus 2 will multiply together will get 0. So here it will come 1. Now next element I shall take 0. 0 I shall take. Since this 0 is there in the second row and third column. So here write B input second row third column. This 0 is there in second row. For second row I have written it 2 and this 0 is there in third column. For third column I written here 3. So minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 5 it will come. Minor of element 0. Minus 1 raised to power 5 it will become, comes out to here minus 1 into and minor of 0. Minor of 0 will get here. This 0 is there in second row and third column. The second row and third column will be hidden. We will get the minor as 1 to 0 minus 2. 1 to 0 minus 2. This one we will get. What we will do here? Minus 1 you will get multiply 2 and elements of principal diagonal minus 2 will multiply to 1. So comes out to here minus 2 equal to, and this will revert diagonal multiply 0 it will come. So minus 2 it will comes out to be. So minus 2 or minus 1 multiply 2 you will get here 2 and again 3 things you have got here. Now if I take the element this 0, so this 0 is there in the third row and first column. For third row I shall write here 1. Here write B input 1 third row. For third row, I shall write here 3. This 0 is there in third row. For third row, I shall write here 3. And this 0 is there in the first column. For first column, write here 1. It will become minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1 into minor of element 0. This 0. Minor of 0 comes out to be, here you will get minus 1 raised to the power 5. Comes out to here minus 1. Multiply 2. And get the minor of 0. So this 0 minor, this 0 is there in third row and first column. The third row and first column will be hidden. We will get the minor as 2 minus 2. 3 0. Comes out to be minus 1 will multiply 2. Elements of principal diagonal 0 and 2 will multiply together. We will get here 0. Minus and elements of reverse diagonal 3 and minus 2 will multiply together. We will get the 3 2 just 6. You will get here minus 6. Minus 6 or minus comes out to here plus 6. We will get here minus 6. We will get here minus 6. And again I shall write B input 32. B input 32. For this element minus 2. Minus 2 is there in third row. For third row I shall write here 2 and minus 2 is there in second column. For second column I shall write here 2. So it will become minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, right, into minor of element minus 2. So here write minus 2. Minus 1 raised to the power 5, it will become, comes out here minus 1 into minor of element minus 2. You look at this one. Minus 2 is there in third row. Third row and second column will be hidden. So we will get the minor 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 0. We will get equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 we will get. Now what to do here? Minus 1 multiply 2. This will become elements of principal diagonal 0 and 1 will multiply together. You will get here 0. Minus 0 minus and minus 2 will multiply to minus 1. Comes out to 2. So you will get here minus 2. Minus 2 comes out to here 2. You got this one too. Okay. Now think about the last element 1. So here this one is there in third row and third column. So take this element 1. So this one is there in third row. For third row I shall write here 3. And this one is there in third column. For third column I shall write here 3. You will get here minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3 into minor of element plus 1 equal to minus 1 raised to the power 6. It will become, comes out to 1 and minor of element plus 1. 1 is there in third row and third column. The third row and third column will be hidden. Third row and third column will be hidden. You will get the minor of element plus 1 as 1 2 minus 1 3. 1 2 minus 1 3. You will get this one. 1 2 minus 1 3 you will get. So here you will get 3 will multiply to 1 comes out to here 3. Minus, and elements of reverse diagonal 1 minus 1 will multiply to 2. Minus 1 will multiply to 2 comes out to here minus 2. Minus 2 I shall write here, it will become plus. Comes out to here 5. Now you have grouped the things here. This one will be pushed in one group, this one will be proved in one group, and this one will be proved at one group, including this one. Now I can easily get cofactor matrix of matrix B. So here write cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix I am going to write. Cofactor matrix. So this is a cofactor matrix of matrix B. So now take out the value of B input double 1. B input double 1 you have got as 3 here. So write here 3. B input 12 you have got here 1. So write here 1. B input 13 you have got here 2. Write here 2. B input 21 you have got here 2. Write here 2. B input 22 you have got here 1. Write here 1. B input 23 you have got here 2. To write here 2. B input 31 locate you have got here minus 6. B input 32 have got here 2. Write here 2. B input double 3 you have got here 5. Just tell you once again, cofactor matrix of matrix B you have got here 3 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, minus 6 2 5 you have got. Now what you have to do here? Now I have to get transpose of cofactor matrix B. So here I shall write imply that transpose of cofactor matrix B. So what we will do here?